Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a ball using Fusion 360 in less than a minute. So to start with, in a new tab, I'm going to click on Create Sketch and I'm selecting any of the plane I want. I'm panning it around, and once the pan is done, I press the Escape and then I'm going to create a line. We can create a line using the command L, then another line. I am choosing a degree of 130, 131, that's fine. And then this one is just the brim of it. Once this is done, I will be changing the curves by doing a fillet. Small. Similarly here. Once these things are done, I'm going to create an offset out of these curves. An offset, that's done, but this is not going to complete our work because it is not connected. We want connected certain bodies, so I am connecting these two ends. Once this body is fully connected, you will see the color of the enclosed surface becomes different. It becomes a bit dark. Now we are going to revolve this whole thing. To do that, we will go to Solid, Revolve. I'm selecting this. Uh, Profile is already selected. I'm selecting the axis as this will be a better axis. Yeah. I'm selecting the axis, and that is that 360-degree, and we are creating a new body of it, out of it. And you see our ball is ready. So in just less than a minute, we have a ball ready. You can export it and print it using a 3D printer.